Welcome to the section Implement Blessed Order features that allows the customer to buy books on the website. As you can see in this overview use case diagram, we are going to implement this use case Blessed Order in the front end. When the customer visits our website, he views the book, add a book to the cart, add another book, and in the shopping cart detail base, he can click the hyperlink checkout to place an order to buy the books. Let's review the requirement of the place order feature by looking at this use case diagram. You see, the customer can place the order, which includes the following actions: add books to shopping cart, update shopping cart, and then the customer can update shipping information and payment method and submit the order to buy the books. In the previous section, we already implemented these two use cases, and now in this section we are going to implement the remaining two use cases.